In our previous tutorial, what we have seen was SR latch using NAND gate with the enable. Now, in this tutorial, we will be learning about same SR latch but using NOR gate with enable. First and foremost, as we are using NOR gate, that means I need to make the truth table for the NOR gate. As you can see over here, NOR gate is just the opposite of OR gate. That means for 0 0 the output should be high. For rest of the cases it would be 0. That means what you can conclude if you observe the truth table very carefully, if any one of the input is high, my output is always low. So the case that I will be implementing to analyze in my circuit. For the first case I have made enable as 1. If enable is made as 1, so my S star would be S plus En bar. So anything OR with 1, anything OR with 1 is nothing but equals to 1. So 1 bar would be equals to 0, implies S star will be equals to 0 and R star will be equals to 0. Since enable is made as high, 1 plus S will be equals to S square, that will be equals to 0. Similarly 1 plus R bar will be equals to, that will be equals to 0. So now if S star is equals to 0, R star is equals to 0. For enable equals to 1, we got the output as S star equals to 0, R star equals to 0. When S star is 0 and R star is 0, you can see if any one of the input is 0, I cannot comment on my output. So it will be the case of memory. If I am not able to say what the output is, the concept is called as memory. That means it will be depending on the previous state. Moving on, what if the case enable is made to be 0? So say En equals to 0. En equals to 0 implies En, if it is 0, it is S plus 0. A plus 0 is nothing but equals to A. So it bar would be S bar. So S star is nothing but equals to S bar. Similarly R star is nothing but equals to R bar. So we will be discussing about the 4 cases when S is equals to 0, R is equals to 0, S is equals to 0, R is equals to 1, S is equals to 1, R equals to 0, and S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1, provided enable equals to 0. For the first case, as S star and R star are the complement of S and R respectively, so my case would be when S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1. Say S star is 1 and R star is 1. If any one of the input is high, my output is always low. So if it is low, that means Q of T and Q of T bar I am obtaining as 0. So this case you will be saying as this is not a valid scenario. So this case is not used case. Moving on to the second case, when S is equals to 0, R is equals to 1. As S star is S bar, so it will be 1, it will be 0. So if this is 1 and this is 0, if any one of the input is high, my output will be equals to low. So 0 is sorted, so 0 and 0. So the output would be equals to 1. So Q of T equals to 0 and Q of T bar equals to 1. So let me analyze for the third case when S is 1 and R is 0. As S star is 1's complement of S and R, so it will be 0 and 1. Let us see what happens when S is 0 and R is made as 1. So as you can see, if S star is 0 and R star is equals to 1, if any one of the input is high, my output will be low. So 0 will be followed over here, as this in output is sorted as the input for this NOR gate. So 0 and 0, my output is 1. So I will be writing as Q of T equals to 1 and Q of T bar equals to 0. For the fourth case, if S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1, implies S star is 1's complement, that is equals to 0. Similarly, R star is also 0, as it is R complement. This 0 and 0 we have already discussed, the output will be equals to nothing but memory. So if I draw the truth table of the resultant cases, it would be something like this. So as I can say, this, so this is enable, this is S, this is R, this is S star, this is R star, and this is Q of T. What would be enable? If enable is 1, irrespective of S and R, S star and R star is always 0, so my value is equals to memory. What if enable is 0? As enable is 0, I need to discuss for the 4 cases. As S star and R star is nothing but S and R's 1's complement, so it would be something like this. So as you can see, S is equals to 0, R is equals to 0, my Q, this is not used case. For the second case, you can see Q of T as 0. For the third case, it is as 1. The last case, it is again memory. So this is how we analyze the truth table of SR latch using NOR gate with the enable switch. Hope this is clear to you all. Thank you.